Daddy went to go get some more milk. Don't drink it. We'll feed it to a goat. Here he comes. Good job, baby. Good sharing. That's so nice. That's so nice. We're chasing goats. No, no, don't put it in your mouth. You're being stingy. Go feed that one. Here comes another one. Here, look. Come on.